we are investigating Haven House, which has been reported to have entities. The occupants told us that every time they go to sleep, they lock all the doors, but somehow all the doors get unlocked. And some of the doors actually are open when they wake up in the morning. And the occupants are very worried. And they called in 10 paranormal investigators to find a solution. So 10 paranormal investigations are here to find the spirit, the entity. And we called in the world-renowned psychic, and there he is. His name is Madam Gypsy Malam. We just call him GM, Gypsy Malam. And Malam senses an entity. One of our 10 paranormal cameramen is freaking out. There he is. We think he's possessed. No. He actually looks like that normally, possessed. He's smiling. We know he's possessed because he never smiles. One of the 10 paranormal team agrees he's possessed because he's smiling. He's trying to avoid the camera because I'm holding a sacred image of the Buddha. And he's avoiding it. Oh, he's taking possession. It's a chicken spirit. The chicken spirit is entering him. There it is. And it's taking possession. The chicken spirit is entering him. The chicken spirit has entered. That's him making the sounds. That's right. The sound is coming out of his ears. He doesn't use his mouth as a chicken spirit. Oh no, the chicken spirit is fighting us. Oh no, get out, chicken spirit. Is that you opening and closing your doors every day? Yes, because you want to go out to cook-a-doodle in the sun. What? Look, he's possessed. He doesn't look normal at all. The vision is blurred. All right, it's time for exorcism. He's fighting back. He's fighting back. In the name of the 3 jewels, leave, we command you. In the name of the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha, leave. Looks like it's gonna be a fight. Looks like it's gonna be a battle. It's gonna be tough. He's screaming, he doesn't wanna leave. We say, get out, leave. Get out, stop making the chicken sounds and get out, leave. Oh my God, look. This is a sign of pure possession. Look at this face. If that's not possessed, what is? All right. One last attempt. Let's sprinkle some holy water from him. He's leaving. The chicken is leaving. If you have the third eye, you can see the chicken flying into the ceiling, into the sky. The chicken is leaving. Okay. 10 paranormal team is successful. Now let's look at the previous vehicle in which the chicken inhabited. There he is. Back to inverted commas normal. Tune in for the next 10 paranormal episode. Do you think the chicken will be back? Uh-oh.